Hi! Welcome back to Axel Learning's Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will learn how to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. We will even explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. Lastly, we will show you the fastest method to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. In how much time will a tank be filled by 4 pipes of diameter 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 6 centimeters running into it simultaneously? Given that the largest pipe alone fills it in 36 minutes. A. 16 minutes. B. 18 minutes. C. 36 minutes. D. 40 minutes. E. 26 minutes. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, which is the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the largest pipe, that is, the one with diameter of 6 centimeters, will fill 1/3600th of the tank in 1 minute. Since the rate of flow of water is proportional to the area of cross-section of the pipe or to the square of the diameter and not the diameter itself, then the time taken by pipe with 1 centimeter diameter is equal to 36 times 36 over 1 squared minutes. Time taken by pipe with 2 centimeters diameter is equal to 36 times 36 over 2 squared minutes. Time taken by pipe with 3 centimeters diameter is equal to 36 times 36 over 3 squared minutes. Amount of tank filled by all pipes running together in 1 minute is calculated as shown below. To make it easier, let's factor out 1/3600 squared times the sum of 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 6 squared. Let's get the sum of the numbers enclosed in the parenthesis, which is 50. 1/3600 squared times 50 is equal to 50 over 1296, or 100 over 2592, which is equal to 1 over 25.92, or it will take 25.92, which is equal to 26 minutes to fill the tank. And the correct answer is letter E. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 150 seconds. Now let's move on to the fun part. Let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT using the latest ChatGPT 4. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option E. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. It's analyzing the problem now. Let's see how much time it takes to get the answer. According to ChatGPT, they got 26 minutes, which is the correct answer. Great job! Now let's try this on Google Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option E, 26 minutes. Now let's see how Gemini solves the problem. It's now analyzing and giving us the calculation. And according to Gemini's calculation, their answer is A, 16 minutes, which is quite not right. The answer should be letter E, 26 minutes. Oh well, let's move on as promised. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve the question and beat the clock. Remember, the answer is option E, 26 minutes. If you notice from the options that the option D of 40 minutes is not possible, if one pipe alone takes 36 minutes, then if other pipes are also running along with it, the time taken has to be less than 36 minutes. Using the same logic, even 36 minutes of option C also can't be the answer. Now, for simplicity's sake, just ignore that the rate of flow of water is proportional to the square of diameter, but take it as being directly proportional to the diameter itself. Adding up the diameters of the other pipes, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6 centimeters. This 6 centimeters is equal to the 6 centimeters diameter of the pipe whose time for filling the tank is given. This means that now there are two pipes each of 6 centimeters filling the tank simultaneously. Hence, the time taken by the two together will be equal to half of 36 minutes, which is 18 minutes. But in reality, the rate is proportional to the square of diameter of pipes. Hence, the answer should not be 18 minutes but higher than that, which eliminates letter A, 16 minutes. Since 6 squared equals 36 is greater than 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared, which is 14. From the remaining options, only option E satisfies the condition. Hence, the answer is 26 minutes. And you got letter E. Estimated time to arrive to this answer is 15 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better way and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos, or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.